Rare find, 5 acres inside Cookeville city limits. Check out this pretty yellow house in a country setting with a view. Enter the roomy foyer that flows into the great room and open floor plan that gives you options for different arrangements of furniture. Privacy all around to be enjoyed on the eastern porch or the southern deck. Updates include crab orchard stone floors, French doors, atrium casement windows, a heated and cooled garage workshop with energy-saving features. The custom southern-facing kitchen features a large breakfast bar and French doors that open to the deck for great entertaining space. Let the party spill onto the deck, which has benches and a whirlpool for 2. The master has a huge walk-in closet with shelving for all your wardrobe needs. The second bedroom has an entry through the garage and has a large closet and private bath.